O'Halloran International. Since 1981, a leader in new and used commercial truck sales, service, and more throughout Iowa. As one of 3 partners in Trivista Companies, a regional network of international truck dealerships with 10 locations across Iowa, Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio, we're proud to be a part of the team awarded the 2018 Navistar Presidential Award, the highest honor an international dealer can receive.
We started O'Halloran International with 28 employees. I found that we were very creative. Like maybe I was creative and innovative, but you can't do it by yourself. And then try to see how we could work with our employees to be a better company to serve the customer.
Jim O'Halloran Sr. founded O'Halloran International with an eye for customer service and growth that remains today. 23 years later, he handed the reins over to Jim Jr. Guided by the same principles and values as his father, he has continued to grow and expand the dealership.
I took over as president in 2004. While it's true I've had some pretty big shoes to fill, we've continued to grow and gain strength throughout each of our locations. We're a full-service dealership group offering a wide variety of service capabilities. Customer satisfaction is always our #1 goal, and we pride ourselves on doing whatever is needed to ensure that our customers have the most professional, courteous, and efficient experience possible.
The O'Halloran dealerships offer a full array of services, including new and used truck sales, rental and leasing, parts sales and deliveries, fully equipped service bays with certified technicians, body shop, a dyno system, DPF filter cleaning, and more. A sister company is an authorized Carrier Transit-Gold dealer, servicing refrigeration units, trucks, and trailers.
What I like best about working for O'Halloran International is that we spend every day working to serve our customers and each other.
O'Halloran, over the decades, has given us quality products, tremendous service, and the people we deal with at every level in the service department, sales, as well as the ownership have always been there for us.
From day one, from my introduction, all the way through, it felt very welcome here, like everybody attempts to work together for the best interest of our customers.
The departments, we're not on our own thing. We try to work together. We're going down the same road. We try to serve the customer best as we all know how to do it.
I like how everybody is willing to pitch in to help serve the customer, and I like how it works hard, but we still like to have fun.
For nearly 40 years, the O'Halloran family name has stood for integrity and respect. Integrity in the way we do business, respect from and for the customers who come back year after year, purchase after purchase, and respect for the dedicated employees who make it work day in and day out. That's O'Halloran International.